This is going to be a short video on the drone that I built. So previously I tried to make a 10-inch drone out of 5-inch cheap toy drone. On that drone I used this battery. This is a 3S Molicel 21700 battery having a 42 amps output. I thought it was enough for the drone, but I was quite wrong as the drone wasn't able to get off the ground properly. So I had a lighter 2S battery. It is from the same brand, Molicel 18650, having a 28 amps output. Yeah, it was even bad than the previous battery. So I bought an actual drone battery. It is a 3S having 77 amps continuous and able to go 154 amps on a short period of burst. It was a huge improvement from the DIY Molicel 21700. The drone was able to fly, but the PID tuning was for the 5-inch toy drone. It was super hard to control the drone, and you cannot change the PID as it is set by the factory. If you know that 3S battery system require more amps, so if you are having success system, then you can go with the Molicel battery. I hope you understand that it won't work properly, and thank you for watching.